Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, family. Family, me chia obia. Me jidi se nyame adom. Obia ho ya baby obia obia se afa na nyina. Me de nyame chia mo obia. Se baby a wo ye anopa eye wia ana eye nwumre. Ni nyina ye ntia ani nyame asomdwe na me de ma wo. Eda nyame ase enenso ye eda foforo a nyame de ache me de yes video yi na ya dia enya nimde e businesses mu. As usual, me de Kwasi Apaw with a background accounting and finance, business coach, consultancy, business management. Na me pacho mon like videos no, na mon share, na mon subscribe, na mon press the button no. Any comment to be answered, I'm ready to reply you. Nti momenya ne sa na yemfa nyini channel no. Na yenkoye nim. Yeah, and then so be ye try ejuma de ne so. Na topic 10. I think that topic 9 was advertisement and marketing. Nti you free 9 no and na 10. Na 10 also no. And it's very, very important in doing business. I'm repeat, especially small businesses. And if we say ye diagro, ye biara, ye discipline. Ya di ansane ya boskem, just like that. Ubusa obi kra say enti adwuma uye. Bosome mfaso sande bia unya na oboka ontimi nkanchro. Ye nyina ne say nipa no onkipu records. And the topic 10 no is about business records and bookkeeping. In business no akwa say auto no aton ade bia it involves buying and selling in business, say particularly trading like buying and selling a factory still over raw materials, over transport whatever buy a factory, then you process. After processing also no crano, you may incur cost. You have in-house workers or all, you pay them wages and salaries, rent, now. So every business it involves income and expenditure. And all this who here say keep proper records. A futu a metimi de ama baako ha ne say, well, obi baka say me de adwuma enso ana e bi kra de ntina say me records. So what determine so person ye adwuma properly. Na adwuma no e be nyini abeye kese. It's better say we keep records. Even with the tax purposes, say at the end of the year, we prepare or financial, accounts, say country be or by law, you have to do your tax return. We are self-employed, self-assessment, limited liability. You need to submit your accounts financial statements, enti ɛho hia sɛ business biara no in transactions biara bɛyɛ biara no we keep records no bi ne sɛn invoices biara wokɔ order nneɛma a wobɛyɛ adwuma na wobɛtɔn a they give you invoices. Say wopɛ file bi na file wɔ if all systems and so in place are like maybe computers are or maybe a software, or you can use Excel, then over record the BBR. So what I say, so you have say every time be able make your debiano, you have to make a proper records. Also be buy order from you, also be issue invoice, and also you keep records. Over different things, be able maintenance, over to fuel for company, business cards, delivery, transportation, rent, a whole lot, etc. You keep records. The internet also in business no keep records. Reason and say a boabo in terms of management, yeah, and every decision making and planning and decision making be out here and a mobile be true after business say it will be based on your records. The funny say this last year, the whole of last year, January to December, by your final accounts, so to know how much or your performance say those performing as whether you are doing good or bad, yes. And we are no and no never boy say oh we are we no I feel we no metimiton ade say ya tetete ehun ka ye wages salaries bibia ka bia ohun bia ne ade no bia amfa so say ne buy and amfa so say ana ye boka say right. Okay, then you compare with your targets. Ebia your target say you bet me aton 10,000, but at the end of the year no ebia endu ana ebroy. So Nina will help you how to plan and decision making as to how you plan for the way forward, yeah. Now the American say bookkeeping, so usually your professionals, your bookkeepers or your account assistants, your accountants, I would say professional accountants like chartered accountants, in terms of charges, is high. In the small and medium, afford it. So what I would say is if you as a person now will run a business, whether sole proprietorship, whether partnership, or any one of the entities, now we educated that. You can set up a system one casano, bibiano, make sure it's a watcher. Even with drawings, you will be for your personal. Maybe I want to be scabby for your personal year. Nina Saucho. Personally, you be drew, but I would prefer say Ubiano. Oh, by far, also your employee. So you set up a salary be for yourself. Than say, if you say money a while with the antino. You tell me, now you scan the open. It's not a proper practice. If say we were doing be cry year and sana we know where this job we bet me cry na and found some buskem till a time I who say after adwuma no atintim and san ebia wo don sa akan sika no bi say bi kra betua ho ka. So another thing, bookkeeping no ebe say aboa ma to me monitor, performance of the business. If so betimi afford ya ebe say nka wo be fa bookkeeper ankasa obi o wenim de bia wa accounting kakra we accounting principles, rules and regulations, errors, there's ledgers, receivables, payables, me use accounting terms kakra timon fancheme what I want to say. Yeah, that will make you a bit secured. If you can obey my employer be in-house or no the answer mail, or your bookkeeper, everything with regards to transactions piano or no na be in charge, receipts and payments, even secretariat, banking and all sort of to be prudent as a business, professionally obisa about you in charge. If say and financially, business is car to bit me afford there. And I believe that we have other accountants you can outsource, I don't know, as and when you need. You can still keep some records which might not be properly, but at least you have records at the end of the year. Now, what they are called outsource accountant. Now, on the answer, we put everything together. Now, I prepare proper final accounts, financial statements. Now, I advise you based on the figures. So that I say, let me advise. So, I have a plan with you as to your next level. How you want to, in terms of management, based on your performance, about my direction. So are you on a positive direction or negative? If positive, you keep on, then you grow. In negative, so at the end of the year, the other two be a new mass are negative aspects in the buy, to me at you come back to on a positive track. Yeah. So all this will depend on the size of the business, as usual, they be America. To depend on the size of the business, the type of the business, and the nature of the business as well. Senka open year, proper management, Every month you have to do your monthly income and expenditure, profit or loss account. So you do it month by month. So you can know that in monitoring your performance. This month was good, this month was bad, or maybe draw graph a bit steeper now to a point a bit start sloping down, or because steep, which I doubt because business there where there are some months are quiet, some months are bad. So graph might not be like straight steeper, no. Yeah, and I think bookkeeping, so the meka afa ho no family be sure obi an crying na ye nyina ye mfa nto ya so say uye business fani say enya agudie na wudie eye wodache o botai bi nti na uye business no. So bookkeeping records, business records ɛsɛ wo keep so ade aseɛ ne nyinaa ɛna ma wo ɛnyini your debtors sɛ bia or creditors and debtors ne nyinaa no ɛwɔ sɛ wo keep records so ade aseɛ so in general no mama the brief of records keeping enti no megye di sɛ obiara ɛbɛfa no asopam na yɛde abɔ yɛ bra enti once again Kwasi Apaw ne kasa yɛ so obi hia business advice consultancy business plan ɛne deɛ keka ho a biribi wɔ adwene mu a wobɛhia ma so you can contact me, give me a comment na I reply na we take it from there na bedenchia ebeja obiara so obiara nso nhwɛ ne ho yie nyame nko obiara ho na yɛntwɛn for the next video anche bia baba nti obiara thumbs up and share unlike it no make a comment. Enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your night, the rest of your morning, the rest of your evening. Family, nyame nko obiara ho. Bye bye.